Today, we're gonna test out the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. I got it from Amazon.com for $20. We're gonna see if it works with all my vegetable chopping needs. It comes with all of these accessories that will do more than just chop vegetables. So let's check it out.
Kitchen Gadget Corner with Daddy.
Okay, so here's all the vegetables I put into my salsa. If you want to check out how the recipe works, you can click on the link down below. And there's a little pop that just came up. Let's go ahead and check that out. We're going to see if we can make it faster by using the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. So when you get the chopper ready, we're going to start with the onion. So here comes the chopper. Here's how it comes. It comes with an empty area that you're going to put in the blade. We are going to use the thinner, smaller blades because I like my salsa with nice fine vegetables, not chunky. So we set it in there, lock it in, and the blade is ready to go. Let's see how it chops an onion. It's too big. You want to make sure that you slice it so that you'll get chops. So we're gonna slice this side, slice this side. I'm gonna place it right here. Maybe that's a little too thick. Take off some of the layers. There we go, took off some layers, and now we're just gonna push right on through. And now the vegetables have been chopped. Okay, now let's do the others from the side. Let's take a look. We'll find out. Now we got all of our onion done, we can take off the top. I'm gonna pour that into our bowl for the salsa. Review-wise, that went a lot faster than when I try and chop onion. Let's see how it chops. Peppers. We've stacked our 4 jalapeno slices on top. Now let's see the chopper in action. I guess that was too much. You can tell it's too much because I couldn't push all the way through. The less you do the time, the better. All right, full force. Took a little more force than maybe you would want. Make sure you don't put in too much at one time. How's that? Is that the size you like? Let's see how it chops. Tomatoes. Wait, the manual says the blade is not suitable for tomatoes. Oh, really? I wonder what will happen. Well, first one, we're gonna use the peeler that came with the device to peel my tomatoes. I have my own peeler, but we are testing the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, so let's do everything with it. So here is that vegetable peeler. I like that feel. It works as good as my other vegetable peelers. 2 peeled tomatoes. I have some nice slices, so I chop it small. Okay, just gonna take this one, right inside, just one at a time. Next one. These 2. But I do say this is much faster than trying to chop these by hand. Add it to my salsa. Let's see how it chops. Garlic. I'm afraid it's probably not gonna slice it as small as I want. We'll try it anyway. I think I should probably cut these in half first. But let's chop our garlic. Yeah, those nice big chunks. Personally, I'm not gonna do garlic in here. Those chunks are too big for your salsa. Let's see how it chops. Cilantro. One thing, you gotta make sure everything you chop is small to fit inside. Piled up my cilantro nice and high. Let's see how well it chops cilantro and probably other herbs. Went through really easily. Oh, but look, it's all stuck. Not much went through. I need if I slam it again. Nope. Nope. I slam it down and we get a little more down. All right, now it looks like I have to show you how to clean it. So results, tomato, yes. Onion, absolutely. Peppers, definitely. Garlic, no. Cilantro, no. I'm gonna use a knife with cilantro. I'll use a cheese grater with the garlic. Okay, so now we had to mess with our cilantro. Let's take a look at one of the tools they give you to clean it. This is the brush we use for the grates. They say use this brush on the grates. So we're gonna brush the grates, see if I can get that cilantro inside. Also, you can unlock it, take it out. So you can see the brush is taking a while on that cilantro. That's okay, we can run some water through it later and get it much more clean that way. That's about as much of the cilantro I'm gonna get out. So let's now use the sink with it. Took a little bit of time, but it washed up nicely. You can also see all the food left in the black part that pushes the food through the blade. So we're gonna clean that next. So you give me a special tool to clean this part off. Put it inside, digs out all those other pieces. This is why I say no cilantro, probably no herbs either in this vegetable chopper. You can see how it works. It's got claws, just the right size to fit through. Slides through and pulls out whatever food you may have left in there. For the water, we're going to separate it. But there it is. Pull it out. Now I can wash in the sink. Maybe you want to see the finished product, so here is the Pico de Gallo I made with a Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Links down below for both the vegetable chopper and my Pico de Gallo recipe. For the next task, let's chop up the ingredients we would need for chicken salad sandwich. Recipes in the link down below, as well as a link to purchase this fine cutting device we're enjoying for yourself. Here is the medium-sized blade. Slip it in there, lock it in. Let's see how it chops. Celery. Okay, as the celery is too big, so we need to make sure we cut it to the right size so it will fit right in. Don't do too much at once, I've learned. Do too many vegetables at once, and it's harder to push down. So we're gonna chop up our celery, maybe like slices. Let's see what chopped does. There's your chopped celery. A roasted chicken breast. This one will do nicely, and let's chop. Ooh, squeeze through a little bit, and smack. Ooh, does it work? Yes and no. Not everything came out, as you will see. And then we'll clean this out using the provided cleaner outer device. Now this needs a little mayonnaise and chicken salad sandwich it is. But in summary, would I chop the celery like this? Absolutely. Would I chop chicken breast like this? No, too much trouble. How well will it juice this orange? So this attachment works like all the others. You put it in, lock it down. The bottom part here is nice and washed and free of any other fruits that you have used. The juice would catch the smell of whatever's in there. So we're not gonna smash it, no. So we're gonna remove this part. How do you do that? Right on the back here, there are two latches. You can pull them in, and we can remove the top part. Let's make it easier and more balanced when we do the orange. Slice it in half like you would for any other juicer, and let's see how the juicer works. Okay, took out most of the orange, so we have a little bit left over here. Okay, you can see lots of pulp right there. You got the catcher, so the pulp doesn't get into the orange juice as much. Let's try the next half of it. So we have fully juiced our orange. Works about the same as any other handheld juicer. So if you have this one, don't have to buy any others. Let's see how it separates egg yolks from egg whites. Next gadget that comes with this, we're gonna check out, is the egg separator. Just like the other gadgets, put it inside, lock it down. So to know this, you need a raw egg. Let's see how well the egg yolk stays. Crack it open. Will the egg whites drip through? I see some egg whites. Let's unlock it. Let's move it up and see if I can shift it and get more of it in. Over the edge, no. Let's see. I have heard that you can do this with your hands better. You can do this with your hands. Let's see. Look at that. This is what I was hoping to see, but that's not what happened. So it gets out some of the egg whites, but not all of them. Let's see how it slices. A hard-boiled egg. Also comes with a tool to slice up your eggs. Let's see how well this one works. It goes in, and it locks, and slice through our egg. Oh, fairly impressive. So I'm gonna take the egg off of the slicer, put it onto the plate, and look at that. A well-sliced egg you can put in salads or eat as is. Ooh. Impressive. Let's see how it's spiralized in ribbons. Zucchini. First we gotta do is open it up. But this time I'm not gonna be using the blades to be crushing. So I'm gonna take off this top part because it's just gonna get in the way. So instead I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull these in and pull off the top part, like so. Once I've done that, I don't have to worry about the top part getting in my way anymore. You need to use one of the attachments that comes with it. Here's the attachment that comes with it that does spiralizing and ribboning. So again, this part goes in back, this part goes in front, and you lock it down so it will not come out. Next, I'm going to start with the Spiralizer, because generally the thing's going to be spiralized, but we're going to use the ribboner too. So you're going to put that in, slide it in like this, and lock it down. Later you can pull it out, right there, easy come out. Be very careful because these blades right in there, you see them, are very sharp blades. They cut really easily. They'll cut your fingers out, so you want to be careful of those. Which is why it also comes with a tool that you can snap into the vegetable that you are spiralizing to keep your hands away from those blades. I only use that when it gets low enough that we need it. Let's spiralize the vegetable this was meant for, zucchini. We have cut off both ends. Is that your first step? Now let's set up in the Spiralizer. Lay it down. I'm going to use the small end first, doesn't matter. If you like to peel it, you can, no need. Lay it right across the blade like so. And you start twisting. You twist, and I like to cut off my noodles. Some more twists. Cut off the noodles, some more twists. If you let it spin all the way, it'll make a noodle the length of the zucchini. All right, so that's enough for the zucchini. Tell you the kind of noodles we got here. Thin zucchini noodles. If you wanted to spiralize your zucchini, this machine is a good way to go. Now let's try to ribbon zucchini. See how well that works. Let's put in the ribbon. There's the ribbon attachment. Gonna put in our zucchini and let's ribbon it. Now it's important, it's very hard for me to hold the zucchini, so I'm going to use the tool that allows you to grab it and continue to spiralize even when it's too small to hold. Very nice. And it gets down a little more of the zucchini. Take out what we couldn't use. Okay, so here's my ribbon zucchini. Nice long ribbons. Would I use the ribbon? No. Would I use a Spiralizer? Absolutely. We love our zucchini noodles. Lastly, we're going to use the peeler to peel the carrot, and then use the Julienne blade to see how it juliennes the carrot. This is good for like a carrot raisin salad, or if you like small carrots in your vegetable salad. So first, let's peel the carrot. Peel the vegetables just fine. Got a little piece off. Okay, now let's say you wanted to put shredded carrots. You can use this side of it. You can kind of see the blades. They're gonna create a Julienne experience with our carrots. Let's see, about this size. Not going so well much. Let's see, let's try this one. Okay, still working on it. Does it work? I would say yes. It does get your thin slice of carrots, but there are other better, faster methods for getting your thin slices of carrots. So would I buy it for that part? No. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to be notified of all my new videos that come out on Mondays. Thanks for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.